Rank No. 1. Meet RAMAN 26. Metallic gray low slung. Worn for speed, precision, aerodynamics. Sharp LED eyes, a spotlight tracing its contours. Large alloy wheels with low-profile tires. Yellow high-performance calipers demand respect. Futuristic A2D Rank No. 1. Performance 556%. RAMAN 26. Pure luxury engineering born in the studio. Built for the future. Sleek aerodynamic lines slice the air. High performance, you can feel smooth. Cinematic, unstoppable. Intelligent cockpit, real-time data. Precision control, power meets luxury. Every detail's engineered. This is speed refined. From darkness, let's ignite. Glossy surfaces come alive. Geometric grille. Chrome precision premium emblem radiates craftsmanship. Advanced LED headlights. Modern luxury engineered for clarity. An upscale presence. Sleek, modern, unforgettable, metallic dark gray. A long wheelbase silhouette built for presence. Multi-spoke alloy wheels glide precision, engineered for quiet confidence. Chrome lines trace the cabin. Elegance measured in millimeters. Flush door handles, seamless design meets aerodynamics. Sleek aerodynamic, unmistakably premium. Arriving with quiet authority. Engineered for dominance, precision meets power. From studio silence to skyline speed. Ignition on air dynamics slice the air. Resistance drops, momentum climbs. Forge grip red calipers command every stop. Intelligent displays confirm your edge. Performance ranks you first. Speed isn't a number, it's a feeling. Future accelerated. Step into modern luxury driver's seat. City lights and a calm blue glow. Digital cockpit wakes softly. Smooth animations, zero clutter. Pure focus, a large touchscreen responds like glass. Intuitive, fluid, effortless ambient blue pulses along sculpted lines. Futuristic, refined. Alive. Light gray leather precision stitching. Contemporary wheel comfort. With intent for leaders and enthusiasts. Where technology meets timeless design. Touch the future. Control perfected. Perforated leather grip for confident control. Carbon fiber trim precision with a luxe finish. Tactile buttons and rotaries command at your fingertips. Silver paddle shifters, lightning fast engagements. Integrated airbag covers, stylized emblem. Signature presents blue and white digital cluster data. Crystal clear. Ambient purple LED sculpt, a futuristic mood design. Control intelligence ultra premium. Future ready in the heart of tomorrow's metropolis. Where dreams meet technology. Introducing the pinnacle of cyber luxury. Automotive design. Every curve crafted for the discerning urban visionary. Where innovation meets unparalleled elegance. Command attention in any digital frontier. This is more than a car. This is the future where technology meets artistry. Every line designed for perfection. Sleek, sophisticated, and ready for the night. Experience the future of driving. This is what luxury feels like, where luxury meets cutting-edge performance. Introducing the ultimate driving machine. Sleek design. Uncompromising power. The future of driving is here. Experience the extraordinary.